Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Coming in at number 6, we have Reed Hastings of Netflix for being at that intersection of technology and television.
When we started, it was all DVD by post, and for the first 5 years, it wasn't clear that we were going to survive. We were competing with Blockbuster, trying to rent DVDs.
It took you 4 years to make money?
Took us at least 4 years, yeah, till 2003. So those were very challenging years, fun in their way, but challenging. And then we started in streaming in 2007, in international in 2010. And now we're really focused on the expanding original content. Consumer choice is a very powerful force. And so you'll be able to watch movies either at home or in the movie theater. But for Netflix, again, we're mostly focused on how do we do entertainment that you feel like you got to watch and, stay up late at night. These platforms, whether that's YouTube or Facebook, are clearly trying to grow up quickly. And we see that with all new technologies. I mean, yesterday we were talking about printed DNA, and it's like, talk about, could be fantastic or could be horrific. All new technology, when television was first popular in the 1960s in the US, it was called a vast wasteland. And the television was going to rot the minds of everybody. And it turns out everybody's minds were fine, and there were some adjustments. But so think of it as, or I think of it as, all new technologies have pros and cons, and in social, we're just figuring that out.
I don't think people 10, 12, 15 years ago saw people cutting cords and not having cable television. I had many friends, family members that have really cut that cord and don't even look at cable. It's really what top creative leaders do is sometimes they're blowing up companies. I mean, Netflix really ended Blockbuster. Actually, Blockbuster ended itself because it didn't innovate to that next level. And Reed Hastings is in at number 6 on the top 52 creative leaders list, brought to you by Skilltivity. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's top 52 creative leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. And we're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.